what passes when you're too busy living, and love is at its finest when times are hard. May your lady always keep you from the vices you've been after. May the Lord always love you where you are. Headed down the road, I guess, another good times I'll regret, but I wish that I was coming home to you. Let you lie on my holy good time, praying that my girl is fine, sleeping in while rain falls on the roof. Sunsets always bleed red, and your family's all well fed, and the song stuck in your head plays all night. Faded down the road, I guess, another good times I'll regret, but I wish I was coming home to you. I do lie on my own good time, praying that my girl is fine, slipping in while raindrops on the roof. Heading down the road, I guess, another good times I regret, but I wish that I was coming home to you. That you lie on my all in good time, praying that my girl is fine, sleeping in while rain falls on the roofs. Well, hi there, pluckers. I've a Sore Fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson for all you Bryan fans out there. Well, another one of his newer songs, and this one's called Late July. Okay, so standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Bryan. So let's get to it. So the introduction starts on a D chord, and it's like a... Right, so I'm doing a couple of downstrokes on the D. Now I'm adding my pinky and playing that top E string on the 3rd fret. Then going up to the 5th fret for a couple of hits on that one, with his pinky on the 5th fret of the top E string, and then back to the 3rd fret. Okay, so it's, and then into a 4-fingered G. You can play a 3-fingered G if you like, but I'm playing a 4-fingered, just doubling up on the top 2 strings on the 3rd fret, gives it a little bit more jingle jangle, right? This time there's some sort of banjo comes in and does some bits and pieces, but as far as I know the chords are G to B minor. I'm playing a bar chord B minor. You can play a simple B minor if you want, but I'm playing a bar chord B minor, 2nd fret bar, minor shape, and then an A chord, and each time you change the chord I'm emphasising the root note, so when I play the B minor I'm hitting that 2nd on the 5th string there, and then the A chord I play the open A string, 5th string, and then to a G. Mini pause and then he starts singing. Okay, so introduction. I heard life is pressing. Getting into a D chord, okay? I heard life is what passes when you're G, too busy. Back to D. So that's coming out of the intro. Let's do the intro again. I heard life is what passes when you're too busy living. Okay, so as far as we got. Then we go to the B minor, and on love, love is all A, finest when the times are G. So what for? I heard, right from the beginning of the verse, I heard life is what passes when you're too busy living. B minor, and love is all A, G. Then just repeat the whole thing. When your lady keeps you from the vices you've been after, may the Lord love you where you are. Right, got that? So let's just go right from the beginning, right from the intro. I heard life is what passes when you're too busy living, and love is at its finest, sometimes it's hard. But a lady keeps you from the vices you've been after. May the Lord always love you where you are. Okay, and the verses, all the verses play exactly the same chords. Okay, some of them you just play single chords, some of them you just strum. Okay, so after the first verse, it then goes into the first chorus. I'm heading down the road, I guess. It's a B minor, simple B minor or a bar chord B minor. Okay, I'm heading down the road, I guess. Another A, good times I'll regret. G, and I wish that I was coming home to D. You suspended, add your pinky to the top E string, 3rd fret. On and off, okay? So it's, I'm heading down the road, I guess. Another good times I'll regret. But I wish that I was coming home to you. And it just repeats, okay? Like to lie over that whole good time, praying that my girl is fine, sleeping in while rain falls on the roof. Suspended and off again, okay? Then it gets into this instrumental bit. Instrumental break, which is banjo, and it's like the way I was doing it was sleeping in while raindrops fall. Sorry, sleeping in while rain falls on the roof. I'm doing da da da, and then stopping and doing some muted. That sort of, just putting my fingers across the strings and just going. That sort of sound, okay? So it's, and then 2 E minors, and then a G, and then D again, muted, E minor, G, D, and you do that 3 times. On the 4th time you do the strum. You don't do the sort of muted strum, you do the proper strumming, okay? So let's go through that, coming out of that last line on the chorus. Sleeping in while raindrops fall on the roof. Right, this one's strumming, next one. Okay, so I strummed the last one, okay, so rather than just going, strum it, okay, so it's coming out of that 3rd one, it's like, we do it. Last one. I hope so. And then he goes into the next verse, and that is just single strums, okay, so it comes a sunsets never bleed out, always bleed out, right? So it's sunsets always bleed out. Bleed red, sorry, not where I bleed out, bleed red, sorry, I have to read the words there. So I hope sunsets always bleed red and your family's all fed. the song stuck in your head plays alright. Same chords as the verse when you were strumming it, but it's just single strums on each bar sort of thing, okay? I hope sunsets always bleed red and your family's all wealthy and the song struck in your head all played now. Then we're into another chorus again. Headed down the road, I guess, another good times I'll regret, but I wish that I was coming home to you. Let you lie on my all in good time, praying that my mood is fine, sleeping in while rain falls on the roof. Now we play an instrumental bit again, and this time it's the D, G, just like a verse, the first line of the verse, okay, so D to G, back to D, B minor, A, G. Now we do the final chorus on single strums. Heading down the road, I guess, at B minor, A, good times I regret, and I wish that I was coming home to you. Let you lie on my all in good time, praying that my girl is fine, sleeping in, slow down while rain falls on the roof. So it's just a same chords as usual for the chorus, but it's just single strums rather than normal strumming, okay? So let's try and go through the whole thing together, shall we? In one go. Okay, from the beginning, slowly. I'll play it a bit slower. It's quite slow, it's not too fast anyway, but I'll try and slow it even down a bit more, okay? So I heard life's what passes when you're too busy living, and love it at its finest when times are hard. May your lady always keep you from the vices you've been after. May the Lord always love you where you are. Heading down the road, I guess, another good time I'll regret, but I wish that I was coming home to you. You lie on my all in good time, praying that my girl is fine, sleeping in while rain falls on the roof. Sunset always bleed red and your family's all well fed. The song stuck in your head plays all night. Heading down the road, I guess, another good time I'll regret, but I wish I was coming home to you. Let you lie on my all in good time, praying that my girl is fine, sleeping in while rain falls on the roof. Instrumental Bryan. I'm heading down the road, I guess, another good time I'll regret, but I wish that I was coming home to you. Let you lie on my all in good time, praying that my girl is fine, sleeping in while rain falls on the roof. Well, there you have it, boys and girls. Hopefully that helped you play that song. Excuse us for singing as usual. It's nothing like Bryan, but it's just for reference purposes only. Okay. So hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.